Welcome to this series of mathematics. What we are considering in this series is logarithm of number greater than 1. And we want to consider solving these questions. Use the table of logarithm to evaluate the following. Now ensure you subscribe to this channel, liking the channel, and press the bell button for further notification, because series of questions will be coming forth and it is well explained that you are part of this series to get more information as regards different aspects in mathematics. Now in today's mathematics, as we said, we want to look at solving this question using our mathematical table. And in that case, this is logarithm of number. As you can see, the numbers that are here are numbers greater than 1. So how are we going to solve this question? There are two basic things we need to understand first and foremost. In solving logarithm questions, we need to understand the characteristics and the mantissa. When you are given a simple number and you want to determine the logarithm of the number, taking for instance, you are having 12.4. You want to determine the logarithm of this number. You are going to have your table. You are having number and then log. Now in this case, this is your number. You are going to have it here, 12.4. Now, you want to find the logarithm of this number. Before you can get the logarithm of this number, remember what I said. The logarithm part consists of two parts. The whole number part, which is the characteristics, and the mantissa part, which is the decimal part of it. Now, the whole number part is determined by expressing your number here in a standard form. Now, when you express 12.4 in standard form, you are going to get 1.24 times 10 raised to the power 1. Because you have moved your decimal point only once in this place. That's how you have it here. So what do we have here as your power of 10 is going to be your characteristics. So you're having 1 point. Then how will you get the mantissa part? You are going to get the mantissa part by quickly looking at the table. You are having your mathematical table, and you are going to look at the mathematical table and see this is 12 under 4. 12 under 4. 12 under 4. If you check your 12 under 4 correctly, you are going to see 0.934. 0.934. 0.934. 34 rather. 0.934. So you are going to have it. This is going to be your mantissa part, and that's how you get the logarithm of this number. So the characteristics, which is the whole number part, is gotten by the power of 10 when you express the number in standard form, while the mantissa part, you got it from your logarithm table. So this is just the basics of what you need to understand. Now let's go into what we have for today. Like I've said, ensure you subscribe to this channel and press the thumb up button and also the bell button for notification, and share this channel. Now, what do we need to do in the first case? We want to solve this solution. Now, how are we going to solve the first question here? Now, another thing we need to understand is we are having multiplication here and you're having division here. This is 13.93 times 364 divided by 4.32. Now, how are we going to solve this? Now, in this case, we are going to see that you are going to have your table. You're having number and you're having log. Now, the first number you're having is 13.93. 13.93. Now, express this in standard form. So it's going to give us 1.393. 1.393, that's 1.393 times 10 raised to the power 1. So this your one that you have here is going to be your characteristics. Then you check your mathematical table once again to determine 13 under 9 difference 3. You are going to add your difference. 13 under 9 difference 3. And when you check that properly, 13 under 9, you are having it as 1430. 1430. Then difference 5, that's 16. Then you had. So this is going to be 6, 4, 4, 1. So it's going to give us 1, 4, 4, 6. So that's going to be the logarithm of this number. Now, the second number is 364. 364. Now, when you express 364 in standard form, it's going to give us 3.64 times 10 raised to power 2. Because you are going to move your decimal point twice, 1, 2. So 3.64 times 10 raised to power 2. Now, this your 2 that you have in here is going to be your characteristics here. Then you have your decimal point. Then you are going to check your 4-figure table, 36 under 4. 36 under 4. Ensure you check it correctly to get the answer correctly. So you are having 36 under 4. That's 5611. 5611. So once you have that, now you are having multiplication here. So you are going to add your result. So once you add, what will you get? This is 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 4 plus 1, 5. This is 10. And this is 6 plus 1, 7. Then 0.3. So that's the answer. Now for the denominator that you have in there, this is your numerator. Now for the denominator of that fraction, what are we having there? We are having 4.32. 4.32. Now this is, when you express this in standard form, you are going to have 4.32 times 10 raised to power 0. So your integer you are having here is going to be 0. Point. Then what are we going to do? This is 43 under 2. 43 under 2. Let's check it correctly. 43 under 2. That's 6355. 6355. Then you are going to minus, because you are dividing here. You are going to minus 7 minus 5. That's 2. 0. Borrow 1 from here to make it 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 6 minus 6, 0. And you have 3. So this is 3.0702. Then you are going to find the antilog as the final answer. Now, the antilog you are looking for here, you are going to check. Now, these 3 that you are having here, you are going to put it aside. Then under the antilog table, you check 0.07 under 0 difference 2. 0.07 under 0 difference 2. And you are going to add your difference when you are dealing with the antilog of number. So when you are dealing with antilog of number, you are going to add also the difference. 0.07 under 0 is 1175. Then difference 2 is 1. So you are going to have it as 1175 plus 1. So that gives us 1176. 1176 as our final answer there. So therefore, we can have the question in this way, as the question is 13.93 multiplied by 364 divided by 4.32. The answer gives us 1. Now, the 3 that you are having here, you are going to add 1 to it to make it 4. And you are going to move your decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer now becomes 1176. Final answer in that way. So now let's look at the second question that we have here. How are we going to solve for the second question? Still using our 4-figure or our mathematical table. In this case, the question is the square root. That's 6147 multiplied by 29.3 raised to power 2 all over 437. Now, you are still going to use your table. Now, this is number and you have log. Now in our number part here, what do we have? We are having 6147. Now as you can see, if you express 6147 in standard form, you are going to have 6.147 times 10 to the power 3, because you are moving your decimal point 1, 2, 3. So you are having your characteristics, which is going to be the first number here, as 3 point. Then let's check the mathematical table once again to get the value. Now in our mathematical table, we have logarithm of number 61 under 4 difference 7. 61 under 4 is 7882. Then difference 7 is, that's 5. 61 under 4, that's 7882. Then difference 5 is 4. So that gives us 7886. 7886. 7886. Now from there, what's the second number? The second number is 29.3. Then when you find the log of 29.3, now the first thing, express it in standard form. That means you are going to move your decimal point 1. So you are going to have 1 point, then 29 under 3. 29 under 3. 29 under 3 is 4669. 4669. So from here, you can see you're having multiplication here, but you can't multiply here because you're having a power. So you are going to multiply this by 2 first. So once you do that, you are going to get an answer out. And in that case, you will transfer what you have here. Let's transfer it here. So you're having 3.7886. 2 times 9 is 18. That's 8, carry 1. 2 times 6, 12, plus 1, 13. 3. 2 times 6 again. That's 12 plus 1 again. 3 again. Then 2 times 4, 8, plus 1, 9. And 2 times 1, that's 2 points. Then you have this. So because you're having multiplication there, you are going to add. So I want to add 6 plus 8, 14. You carry 1 here. This is 11 plus 1, 12. 2. Carry 1, the same thing, 2. Then you carry 1. This is 17, 7. Then you carry 1 here, and that's 6. So you're having this as the everything for the numerator here. Now the second one is 437. So in this case, you've gotten the value for the numerator. Now, for the denominator, which is 437, the characteristics part is 2 points. So you check our table again. That's 43 under 7. 43 under 7. 43 under 7 is 6405. 6405. 6405. So we are going to transfer that here also. You're having 2.6405. Then you are going to minus this time around. So once you minus, we borrow one from here. That's 14 minus 5 is 9. This is 1. And this is, you borrow one from here. That's 12 minus 4. That's 8. And you're having 6 minus 6 is 0. And this is 4. So from here, you've gotten our answer for everything. Now, let's consider the square root, because the square root is affecting everything here. So when you have your number as the square root of 6147 times 29.3 square divided by 437, it means that whatever we have here as our answer, that's 4.0819 divided by 2. So when you divide it by 2, what are we going to have? we are going to have here, this is 2. Point 2 goes in 0 is 0, in 8 is 4. And what do we, 2 goes in 1 is impossible, and 2 goes in 19, and that's 9. Then remainder 1 in 5, that's 10. So we are going to approximate it to 4 numbers. It's going to be 2.0410. So we are going to find the antilog of this number. So how are we going to find the antilog of that number? So in checking the antilog, we are going to consider 0.04 under 1 difference 0. That's 0.04 under 1. There is no difference of 0. So we are going to consider the antilog. Let's consider the antilog of in our table. So 0.04. We are having here 0.04 under 1. 0.04 under 1 is 1099. 1099. But remember, you're having 2 here. Add 1 to these 2 to make it 3. So you are going to move your decimal point 1, 2, 3. So the answer becomes 109.9. 109.9. And that gives us the final answer to that question. So like I've said earlier on, ensure you subscribe to this channel and also press the top up button and also press the bell button